Hello guys, thanks for tuning into my video. If you're active in the crypto community, you may have seen a lot of hype regarding a certain OMI coin bubbling up recently. But since it's not listed on any of the major exchanges, you might be wondering how you can buy in. Well, in this video, I will show you one way to step into this fascinating world of altcoins and shitcoins, and that is BitForex. Let's get right into it. BitForex works like most exchanges do. They have a spot market where you can buy and sell assets at market value or place limit orders. For more experienced users, they also have Perpetual Contracts, allowing you to short and long crypto assets. They also have a function called Eazy Swap, which works similar to Uniswap. You can trade between different altcoins or become a liquidity provider. They also have a market for leverage trading called MT5. Once again, only for the really experienced traders. In this video, I will be showing you how to buy ECOMI at market value using the spot exchange. But in order to do that, we first need to get some US dollar Tether to our account. To do that, you first head over to your Assets tab. Here you will find different options to manage your crypto. You can deposit, withdraw, and make internal transfers and see the balances of your different wallets. When depositing, you have two different options. You can either transfer tokens directly to your wallet address, or you can buy them via credit or debit card. Do note that the latter option is accompanied by fees. I personally use the debit card option and I now have 100 Tether in my account. In order to start using those funds, I will first have to transfer them over from my BitForex wallet to the BitForex spot exchange. I will simply hit transfer and select to transfer from the wallet to the spot exchange. I will now head over to the Spot Exchange tab and search up ECOMI. Here I will get the latest information on ECOMI price and orders. To place my own order, I will head down to the Place Buy Order section. I can type in how many ECOMI I would like to buy and to what price. The latest market price is already filled in, so I will place my order using that. Since I have exactly 100 USDT in my account, I think it would be smart to purchase OMI for that exact amount. I head down to the total and type in 100. You can now see that my order is placed and waiting to be filled. Once it is filled, you will be able to find it under the Closed Orders tab. That means my purchase has been successful and I now have ECOMI in my Spot Exchange wallet. I will now go back to my Assets tab and go under Spot Exchange. Here you can see that I have around 9.8k ECOMI. I will go ahead and transfer those to my wallet since I likely won't be using them to trade on the spot exchange. Once transferred to your wallet, you can either keep them there or withdraw them to an external wallet. And that's pretty much how you use BitForex to buy your favorite altcoins. If you want to try it out yourself, I will leave my referral link in the description just in case. Anyways guys, I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or corrections, you are always welcome to leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.